How's it that you keep passing the test? I just don't get it.
Yeah, Peter and I studied all last week and we barely hit a C.
I have my ways.
What ways?
Well, I don't know if I should tell you guys this, but Gypsy magic.
Gypsy?
Magic?
Yeah, there's this fortune teller guy that comes on campus.
For real, stop wasting our...
Show us the Gypsy.
Hello. So I'm guessing you want to pass your test, no?
How did you know?
I Googled it.
Yeah, we did, but not with this voodoo hocus pocus.
I'll take anything and everything you have.
Ah, see. It's luck you want and luck you will get. I'm very fine-tuned with luck. Mainly because I'm in tune with the universe and no technology at all. Hold on. Jimmy, I'll call you back. I'm with a customer. Okay. Hold on. Bye-bye. Okay, so let me find your perfect item. Let me see. Oh, yeah, yes, here you go. This will help you on your test.
Whoa.
A beanie? How is I supposed to... Where'd he go?
See you in lab on Monday.
You paid someone then?
Nope, it was a hat.
You got the answer key?
Nope. Hat.
Fine. Let's try this hat theory. Give me the hat.
But it's mine.
Peter, just give me the hat.
Never! Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
I got love for my family, love for my crew, love for me, we stay true. And it just might be that I love you too. So if you got beef, brother, kill that too. I got love for my family, love for my crew, love for me, we stay true. And it just might be that I love you too.
Hello?
Hi, I'm from Domino's Pizza, and I have a pizza to deliver to room 330 to a Berlin Herrera.
TV right now. No one's over here. I gotta order pizza though. It's really I don't really know where it came from. Oh my gosh!